Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to install the new Western Digital 2 terabyte hard drive. So right off bat, you can see that it comes in some high quality packaging. The cardboard's pretty firm. There's some nice high quality tape. I'm kind of surprised at how well put together this is. But I mean, then again, it was $200, $300 in some places. Alright, first thing I noticed when I pulled this out the box is that it has some weight to it. Paint's pretty awesome on here, and it's cool to the touch, so those heat sinks will definitely do the job. But it does smudge a lot, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, but enough about that. So let's get to the exciting part and pop this thing open. So the only thing you're going to need is you're going to need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. And as you can see, I didn't even have that, but I made it work. Grab your SSD and come in at a 45 angle and gently push until you hear a click. And then take that spacer, slide your spacer right under your SSD. Take your screw, tighten down your SSD. Then after that, we'll go ahead and we'll close our panel up and put everything back together. Alright, so as soon as you turn your PlayStation on, you'll be greeted with a menu basically saying to format your SSD that you just installed. After that, your PlayStation will prompt you to run a test on your SSD, and there you'll figure out the performance of your SSD. Alright, after all that's said and done, you're going to go over and head to your settings. After you head to your settings, you'll go to storage, and then from storage, you'll go to the last menu setting, and you'll set your storage from console to SSD, which will then install all of your games to your SSD from here on out. If you found that information useful, do me a favor and hit that like button and hit subscribe. You guys have a nice day.